morning dear students. Today we are going to start with the next organic compound, that is our acetone, children. So I have taken children already acetone in a test tube. You will get acetone this way. It will be covered because it will evaporate at room temperature. You all know that you are using nail paint remover, so you know that it is somewhat cold in touch, okay, and even you can smell it, okay. So it will give you a nail paint remover type of smell. So that is your acetone. You can identify acetone like this, okay. Now see, what you have to do is, the first test is that take small amount of saturated solution of sodium bicarbonate. I have sodium bisulfite, okay. So I have already prepared it, okay. So I am taking small amount of, so here in this is your test tube holder, so you will hold it this way. So in this test tube I am taking first a small amount of sodium bisulfite, saturated solution of sodium bisulfite, okay. To this saturated solution of sodium bisulfite I will add 2 to 3 drops of acetone, okay, the given organic compound. So I am adding acetone to this solution. Now children, what it will happen is, it will appear white crystalline solid, okay. It will give you a white crystalline solid. So this solution is now somewhat hot. You have to cool it under the tap water. Now you can see, can you see on the walls here, there are some white crystals which are appearing. So on cooling children, it will give you this way. On cooling, you have to cool it under tap water and place it in your test tube rack, okay. So this is the white crystalline color, which is white crystalline solid which is appearing. You can see I am turning also, then also it is not moving out. It is solid, white crystalline solid, you can see here, okay. This is the first test, confirmatory test for acetone, okay children. Now see here, the next test for acetone is that you have to take small amount of acetone in a test tube. So I am taking small amount of acetone further in a new test tube, okay, in another test tube, okay. So see here, this is small amount of acetone. Now to this acetone we will add sodium hydroxide solution. Now to this acetone children, we are taking sodium hydroxide solution. So see here, this is sodium hydroxide which is already prepared and kept on your rack. So add a small amount of sodium hydroxide. Children, you have to perform it with the test tube, but I have experience, so I am doing this way. Okay, so you are adding small amount of sodium hydroxide. Then we have to add few drops of iodine solution. See here, this is grams iodine solution. It is already in the form of solution form, okay. So this iodine you have to add it in the test tube, okay. You are adding it in the test tube. Few drops we have to add, okay. Now what will happen is, you have to heat the content. You have to heat the content in a water bath. Children, you can see this is the water bath. Okay, I have placed a beaker on the wire gauze and it is heating. This is water bath. So you have to keep this solution this way in the water bath. Okay, after placing it in the water bath, okay children, it will give you a yellow precipitate. So this is what I have already done. This is yellow precipitate. You can see it is solid. Yellow PPT is appearing. This is the second confirmatory test for acetone. Okay. Now the third test for acetone is that we have to take small amount of organic compound, that is acetone, okay. Now to this we will add freshly prepared sodium nitrosoproside. So I have already prepared freshly prepared sodium nitrosoproside solution. To this organic compound, that is acetone, I am adding freshly prepared sodium nitrosoproside solution, okay, 2 to 3 drops, okay. Now to this same solution we have to add ammonium hydroxide, children. So see here, I am adding few drops of ammonium hydroxide to this solution. So see here, okay children. Now after some time it will appear violet in color, okay. So this violet color will disappear on heating and again it will reappear on cooling. So what you have to do is just take it in a test tube holder and keep it. So here this way you will heat the solution. Okay children, so I have heated the solution. So children, on heating this solution becomes what? Colorless. Okay, it will be the brown, it will disappear. Okay, and again when you will cool it, okay, again when you cool it, so the violet color appears. Children, this whole solution is violet actually. Okay, it is violet. So I hope that you have understood acetone. Thank you.